Hey everybody, it's Tom from Vehicle Visionary. I hope you're having a great day. In today's video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to use Google Assistant in your GMC Acadia. This works for any GMC or Chevrolet product that has Google Assistant. It's this easy. Hey Google, what is the high temperature going to be today?
In Shreveport today, expect a high of 93 degrees.
And you can ask so many more questions than that. In fact, let's do this. Hey Google, what can I ask you?
Check these out. You can say, "What's the heat index today?" or "Restaurants near me."
It's that simple. Anything you can think of with that. Now, and there is one more way that you can use Google Assistant if you want to without the voice commands. You can just tap the screen right here. Tell me a joke.
Did you hear about the snowman that got upset when the sun came out? He had a total meltdown.
I'd say that's an appropriate ending to that joke. One more little tip here. What about the volume? If you want to change the volume, go to Sounds. We're going to go right down here, and then we're going to go to Volume Levels, and you'll notice that you have Voice Assistant Volume. So you can raise that or lower that. I'm going to raise that up a little bit from what we had, and we'll do this. Hey Google, how far am I from Sam's Club?
You are 1.2 miles away from Sam's Club by car.
Hopefully you could tell that that was a little bit louder. I didn't want to make it too loud, but I hope that helps you out when it comes to learning about Google Assistant on these GMC vehicles. If there is a tutorial you want to see me make on any GMC vehicle or anything else out there for that matter, tell me down in the comments section and I will be happy to make that tutorial for you. Thanks for taking the time to watch. I'll see you next time.